Hey everybody, welcome back to the Nexus, where we spotlight some of our favorite local businesses and our True North Technology stars. I have Steph Terry here today. I'm so excited to introduce her, but as always, I like to let you know about some of the great offers we have with Tap On It here in Lincoln. There's a few that are going to be expiring, so get them while you can. We got Blaze Pizza, Soap Laundry, Rock and Joe, Fly Dogs. There's some also really great new offers that came out this week with Hubby's Timeout Bar, Kincaid's on there, Lazari's. Dami Dami is an awesome Mediterranean restaurant. Oh, let's make a lunch date.
I'm excited.
Yes, lunch date for sure. So, and they also have gelato. So if you love gelato, there's not a lot of great places in town for that.
I love gelato, a lotto.
A lotto. I love it, a lotto.
I love it, a lotto.
She's got a marketing background, people. This is going to be fun. All right. Well, last week, I think Taylor and Abby had some fun. They chatted about Tap On It. Got you the lowdown, some of Abby's favorite meetings she's had and her experiences with kind of launching Tap On It in the Lincoln market. So if you haven't checked that out, you can. And now we are on YouTube. So this is not only going on Facebook, this is going on YouTube,
oh my
lady.
Gosh, I always wanted to be a YouTube star.
Okay, well, today's your day.
Oh my gosh.
So, everyone,
Yay.
it is my pleasure to announce my friend, Steph Terry. She is with Morrow Collision Center, and she is an amazing human. So, welcome
Getting
to
all
the
emotional.
Nexus.
Thanks. It's like all my dreams have come true.
Well, we met like early on in the launch of True North Technologies.
Yeah.
How long had you been at Morrow Collision when we met?
So I just had my 3-year anniversary. So I would say it's just close to like just under 3 years ago we met. Because I had started doing networking right out of the gate when I started there.
And you know when you meet that person
I know.
and you're like, we're going to be best friends.
We set up a one-on-one through Center Sphere, I think it was, right? And I was like,
yeah,
she's awesome.
Like
you were.
I want to be her
it was like
friend.
Energy. It was like our spirits came out of our bodies and like married each other. Like
and we
right
told each
there
other
over
things
coffee.
that you shouldn't tell each other
on the first
on
date.
a first date. Yeah.
But it happened, and it's just been like a fairy tale.
We've just been like connected.
Yeah.
Ever since.
You're like the fun side of me that doesn't come out a lot.
Okay, well,
in a
like
living person.
You're a super, super fun person, but like over the course of the years, I've gotten to know you as more of a like organized planner.
Yeah.
And like this was just not my first impression at all.
No. There's like really two sides to my personality. One of them is like crazy fun, and I do think since I have a daughter now too, like it's just I don't know. I think you get old. Kids like age you. I'm a whopping 32, and I'm like dying.
I'm so proud of you. You're growing up.
I know, right? But going on vacation with Renee is the best because it's like the planning side of me comes out. So I'm like, this is what time we're at the airport. This is what time we're having dinner. And Renee's like, look at this bar. We should go over here. They have happy hour and free drinks and a concert. And I'm like, this is not part of the plan. But it does make it more fun.
She has to roll with
side
it.
Of me.
Yeah, she rolls with it pretty good. Trust me, she likes to have fun too.
Yeah, I do.
Well, tell us a little bit about yourself. Tell us like your background. What did you do before Morrow, and did you go to college or anything like that?
I did. So I'm originally from Wilbur, so the Czech capital of the U.S. is really what we're known for. If you've ever been to Czech Days.
She's in the band.
And the high school alumni band. I play clarinet. I'll be honest, I don't really know how to play anymore, but I can still make noise out of it, so I think that qualifies me to be in the band.
Yeah, and you can drink the free drink.
Yeah, yep, exactly. Yeah. So grew up there, about 45 minutes away from Lincoln here, and then I went to UNL for advertising, broadcasting, and like kind of a minor marketing degree. Yeah. And I wanted to be the next Diane Sawyer. That was like my dream when I was little.
Aww.
Because she was gorgeous, she was smart, people respected her. I'm like, this is like
a female in the industry. She's got it all.
The full package.
Yeah.
She gets all these juicy interviews, and it's not just like celebrity gossip and things like that. It was actual news.
Right.
And going on scene, Middle East and tours like that for her. And I was like, this is so cool. Like, I want to tell stories. So that's what I wanted to do, and I had that that career for a while out of college. I worked at 1011 here in Lincoln as an intern and then started full-time. And I love telling stories. It's definitely like, man, when you watch the news, I think you have no idea what those reporters go through that day to get the story to you. Everything looks so put together, but it's a hard job. It really is.
I can imagine that, the chaos. Yeah. And then don't you have like people talking in your ear and it's just like
Yep, and you're responsible for getting the interviews and booking the interviews and getting all the video that you see. So it is a really, really tough job. And I loved it, but I also it was hard to have that work-life balance. And I wanted that dream. I truly did, but I also wanted to like go to movies with my friends and be able to like afford my rent and the basic things. So it's one of those jobs where
basic human needs.
Yeah, you have to sacrifice a lot to really make it. So yeah, I just decided to get into doing auto claims for State Farm up at 84th and O office when it was open, and that's kind of how I got into like the auto collision side of things. And things started changing and evolving there, and I was like, I want a little bit more guarantee on a job, and I had a referral.
More of that human interaction again.
Yes, and it's just working for a corporate company has its pros and cons, just like any job. And I got a referral to a local body shop, and I thought, I don't repair cars. Like, I don't know anything about this at all. I just know what to do with the claim. And I went and I met with the owner, Dan at Morrow, and it was like, this is awesome.
Well, it's a perfect combination of your two previous careers. So
exactly. So it was like
you understood some of the pains of the customers.
Yep.
You understood pains of the collision repair place too, because everybody's like under stress. Like when someone doesn't have their car, it's like, let's get this fixed. And how do we do that? And how do we keep both sides happy and make sure that the auto repair place gets what they deserve for payment?
Yeah, exactly. So it's just kind of the best of both worlds, understanding like the complexities of the claim process, but then also loving people and wanting to be outgoing and talking with people and educating them. So that kind of collided, and that's where I'm at. So.
And she's done such an awesome job representing Morrow Collision Center. I just have to brag about her a little bit. Like, she's always been super professional and gives like great introductions. She even helped me like in my initial launch of True North of, let's work on your 60 seconds. Like, she's just a really generous and giving person, but she knows her stuff, and she has made so many great connections to bring in referral business and really helped to grow the business, in my opinion. I think you've been a big part of that.
Thank you.
I'm really proud of you.
Yeah, and I think it's helped in our expansion of our name and our locations as we've grown too. I think that just all the networking and all the contacts that I've helped make, and it's so nice to know I have this big group of supporting people always behind you. So,
well, on that topic, we have a bit of breaking news.
breaking, live at 6.
She's a natural.
Oh, yeah, okay. Whatever.
Well, I'm going to let you take it from here.
Yeah. So, I mean, breaking news, we have our 2 locations here in Lincoln. Our original shop started on Cornhusker, North 22nd and Cornhusker, kind of just west of Spikes Volleyball out there. And then we opened our 84th and Adams, kind of like our flagship location that we built from the ground up last February, right before the pandemic. And then we actually just last week had the opportunity to acquire a 3rd location down south, and nothing's really changing with this location, so it's kind of a more unique expansion than our 2nd one. But Beeman Automotive is 4915 Rentworth Drive, so roughly 48th and Highway 2, across the street from Sonic there. We are going to be taking over that business, but everything's staying the same. Employees are the same. Glenn and Holly are still going to be very much involved in the business and around. They just, want to move on with their life, I think, and
travel more,
and get crazy,
golf,
and have some extra time. But
be glamorous.
Exactly. And he started this business 40 years ago, and so there's not any intention of changing things up, changing the name, changing anything that he's built. That's very, very important to us.
Right.
And also to keep his involvement in the business too. So
And all the same employees and basically business as usual.
Exactly. Same quality repairs. He has such a high standard for repairs, and he's a perfectionist, and that is not going to be changing. So
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations on that. You guys are in like all the quadrants.
Yeah,
you need to be. You got
I'm excited.
Perfect little triangle.
Yes, the south location was just huge. I mean, that's something that we've always wanted. We have a lot of customers that travel from South Lincoln to one of our 2 locations. It's just not as convenient as it could be. Yeah. And so now we'll be able to serve more of the city and continue with what Glenn has built. So
tell us a little bit more about all of your services, because it's not just collision repair.
Yeah, so we obviously, like you said, our bread and butter is going to be collision repair. So you get in an accident, you get a door ding, something falls on your vehicle. Any of those things are what we're going to specialize in. But we can also do any kind of like glass repair, windshields, that type of thing. PDR, paintless dent removal, during hailstorms, or you get like your kid runs into the side of your car with their bicycle or something. And we also offer full detail services. So that's like a huge push right now for this time of year. So we offer ceramic coating, which is definitely an investment for your vehicle, but this is how I put it in girl terms. Are you ready? Okay. So like we get our nails done, right? And they have to like buff them and polish them and make them all pretty. And then they lock in that color and that buffing and polishing to make them stand out and look great. And that's really what ceramic coating does for your vehicle. So we do a full paint correction on it, which is buffing, polishing, making the paint look as good as it possibly can from those everyday wear and tear kind of scratches and stuff. Mm-hmm. And then we lock it in with ceramic coating, and that protects your vehicle from, the salt that's going to go on the ground during the winter time.
That stuff's brutal.
Yeah, it just helps it wash away a lot easier. Stuff doesn't stick to that paint. The general scratches and scuffing don't happen as easily.
Yeah, just even going through a car wash can be super damaging to your paint.
Yeah, and there's definitely nothing wrong with those automatic car washes, but ceramic coating is an investment, and it's for those people that have just purchased a new vehicle, or have an older vintage vehicle, or people that just really love their car, don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon.
Yeah.
And the good thing about ceramic coating is all of ours come with a warranty. And we do have a new top of the line product that we offer.
Yeah.
Through a company. So you can actually choose your level of ceramic coating. It goes all the way up to a 9-year warranty.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
So
that's super cool.
Yeah, we're excited to offer that. So
I have to say, I have had my car detailed there before, and it's amazing. So if you have kids and a mess and sand from the beach and lots of things in your car, just drop it off. Save yourself a lot of heartache and have them take care of it for you.
Yep, and it's also just a nice add-on for our existing customers for collision repair. Yeah. They can add on a detail while their vehicle is there, and we just really wanted to be a one-stop shop for any of your auto
needs. And you can give them as a gift right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Holidays are coming.
Yep, call, and we do e-gift certificates or e-gift cards that just go through email.
Awesome.
It's not even anything you have to wrap. You can just email it.
Super convenient.
Yeah.
Maybe as a thank you with Thanksgiving coming up.
Yeah, that would be awesome to your host or something.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So
it's hard to find hostess gifts that are awesome.
I know. So.
Well, we have had the pleasure of working with Morrow Collision Center. We did their website.
Yeah.
So if you don't mind, tell us a little bit about your experience with working with True North.
Yeah, so I think we were one of your first few websites, and I just loved the ability to customize everything. It's like I had a vision for how I wanted our website to look, and I think what's unique about us is like our story. So Dan, our owner, has done car repair and been involved in vehicles since he was super little, just has always had a passion for that. So I think getting that story across in kind of a story or a letter format was really important, and you guys helped me put that on a website. So I loved that, and just all the old pictures through the years, and really helped us build that story that I've always wanted to tell. Mm-hmm. And now it's out there, it's permanent, it's for an audience to see. And I love updating our website too, as far as just our current repair work that we do. I don't love it when pictures just are the same every time. So with your platform and all of your employees, they're so great to work with. I can just send them new photos and they're up in minutes. So
yeah, that is nice. Yeah. And it's good for your SEO too, to continue to update all the time. So.
Exactly. And as we grow, I'm bringing you with us, and you're going to help us with another new website. So
I know. We're super excited about it. Yeah. Just a little facelift on the website.
Exactly. Yep. Make it easy for me. So.
Well, tell us something else that we wouldn't know about you already. Something
Seriously?
fun, because you come up with crazy things. You're definitely...
I don't know.
You got a lot.
Like really hard. I'm starting to sweat now. Oh, gosh. I don't know. I mean,
I'll give you some time to think about that. I know coming up, you're going to be hosting the Liba BizNet in December.
And there is a date change with that. We wanted to really make it easy for all of the Liba members and then my guests as well to attend and not have any conflicts with that original date. So we did switch it to December 17th, and the awesome thing is it's a Friday.
That's going to be so fun.
It's a holiday party. So I know you all have your holiday parties at your own businesses, but this is kind of like a get-together holiday party, networking holiday party. So
they're great hosts. So if you haven't had the pleasure of checking out their new facilities at 84th and Adams, it'll be a good opportunity to check that out, as well as a Liba event. It's going to be a fun one.
Doorstep diner, cater for us again like usual. Lori and Chad and the team do a great job of helping me come up with like a fun food and naming it and all that. So do that with drinks.
Maybe a little tour.
Yeah, a tour. We have a party light switch that turns on the overhead disco balls.
The disco ball is a nice touch.
And
they have really beautiful Christmas trees too, so I'm sure those will be up.
Yep, some decorating, so it'll be fun. And then also we're celebrating 20 years in 2022. So next year is our 20th year of Morrow Collision Center. So I don't have any details, but there will be some kind of a fun event to celebrate that. So
well, that's a great reason to follow them on Facebook and Instagram, so that you can find out when that party's going to be. Definitely meet Steph and I on the 17th. I'll be there. And what's that fun fact? Come on.
Oh gosh. Well,
something.
Okay. I mean, this is really boring, but I love cooking.
She does, and she's an excellent chef. You would never believe this beautiful, stunning, and amazing person
and I
also a cook.
Meal prep every Sunday. I just love trying new things and weird stuff, and everybody's like, "Where'd you get that?" I'm like, "In my kitchen."
And she really just likes other people eating her food.
I do. I love that.
She loves watching people eat her food and making them happy.
And I
so it's really
sit
fun
there and watch them like this. And watch them enjoy every bite. And I love it when I get Renee is always like, The
number of is...
It's so good. That's how I know how good it is, by how many times she's so.
And also, I do say cool a lot. So
cool.
It's like, cool. If I give you 5 cools, it's really good.
Or if you're stick your finger up to your mouth. You're really trying to
cool. That's not good.
No.
One
that's
cool.
Questionable. So I don't know. That's not really a fun fact, but I love cooking. So.
Well, thank you so much for coming
for
on the
having
Nexus.
Me. It went way too fast.
I know. We're out of time, unfortunately.
Darn it.
But if you want to hang out with us again, just check us out at the Liba event, right?
4:30 to 6:30 on December 17th.
Awesome. Well, it was great seeing all of you again. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you next week.